Anytime now. Oh, way to go. Flores, Exceptional Angel, getting better. From the outside, rushing up is Formal entry, Dennis Song. Formal entry, Exceptional Angel, Dennis Song alongside his Flores, Spanish Lover. Getting better on the further outside. Native Land is running in 7th position. Bianca's Fantasy, 8th position. Rounding the far turn, Formal entry by Alan Kenab, Dennis Song in 2nd. Exceptional Angel, Danori inside. Getting better is racing forward by Sam Tulay, Spanish Lover. Bianca's Fantasy, Flores, Native Land. Quattro Supra as they race the final corner. Formal entry, Dennis Song, Exceptional Angel, Danori inside. Getting better is Spanish Lover at the center, Native Land. And nearing the finish line, Formal entry, still leading by Sam Tulay. On the outside, getting better, Dennis Song. And nearing the finish line, Formal entry, Dennis Song, getting better, close. Bianca's Fantasy, number 6, Spanish Lover, for 4th and 5th. And for your super sa is Exception.